I put in a drawer knob today. Just one though. Not because it's a big achievement or anything, but because it's a small one. And I guess that's good enough. Organizing doesn't have to be a full reset. It can be slow, kind of awkward, and completely unfinished. But that's still forward motion. And today, forward looked like drilling one hole and finally using that knob that's been sitting on my bench since I don't even want to know when. Truth is, this space is a reflection of me, not some showroom or catalog page. It's got some quirks, some scars, dust in places that I can't explain. But every time I add a little touch, a shelf, a hook, a knob, I feel like it's mine, and that matters. Making it unique, piece by piece, is better than waiting for perfect, because perfect never shows up. It's like Bigfoot with a clipboard. Everyone talks about it, but no one's seen it actually do any work. Progress doesn't need to be dramatic, it just needs to happen. In your way, in your time. So if today's progress is just one drawer knob, that's fine. It's just one more thing that works, one more thing that's done, and one less thing whispering, "Fix me," every time you walk past. Plus, I installed it straight, which in this shop, that's basically makes me a legend. And it's these little tiny improvements, these bits of progression that help keep me sane. Because without it, who knows where I'll be.